Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bryan D Menezes, Clinical Director, Smile Dental Care, Bangalore, India. Smile Dental Care was formed in the year 2011 with a single dental chair and 2 staff members. In 2025, after being in the practice for 15 years, we were featured as the top 10 dental clinics in Bangalore by the Silicon India magazine. What sets Smile Dental different is our belief in technology and innovation. If you see our clinic, you can understand that we have most of the latest advancements in the field of dentistry. For example, we do not use syringes. We use a cartridge system which anesthetizes the tooth. The patient will be extremely comfortable. Some of the latest advancements in the field of dentistry which are there available in the clinic are dental lasers. We have the in-house laughing gas sedation machine. So what is a laughing gas sedation machine? So basically, the laughing gas induces a relaxed state of mind without the patient being nervous or anxious about the dental treatments. We even have the dental lasers, which are extremely comfortable during the treatments. These equipments promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, increases cooperation by the patient, especially the children and adults as well. So overall, Smile Dental Care is designed to be different from just a dental clinic. A modern practice, we believe our patients are entitled to the best dental care available. To this end, we offer a comprehensive and state-of-the-art procedures all under one roof in New BL Road, Bengaluru, India.
Introducing the founder of this practice, the silent observer, Dr. Bryan Menezes. He looks at an X-ray for 2 seconds, sees 7 problems, and tells you we need to talk. Introducing the instrument ninjas of our clinic. Meet Ms. Shaila and Mr. Manjunath. They know every instrument even before the doctor asks. They control the saliva, control the chaos, and they are judging your flossing silently. Meet the calm problem solver of our team, Dr. Shahnaz Parveen. Explains treatments to you in 3 different languages, smiles even when a root canal takes 2 hours, says don't worry 25 times per day. And I'm the self-proclaimed boss lady, Dr. Sunaina Pamnani, a pediatric dentist. I've helped build the team and the clinic and helped fix many smiles. And I'm the one who's going to give you free life advice during your scalings. And hey, I'm the one who's going to tell you chocolate is not harmful. Meet the real boss of the clinic, our receptionist, Miss Pranati. She's the one you're going to meet before the doctors. You must pass the gatekeeper. She controls your appointments and she knows all your secrets.